Trees and nature are very important for our life. Trees gives us clean air to breathe. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, which we need to live. Trees also give shade, fruits, wood, and home for many animals and birds. Nature is all around us. It includes trees, plants, animals, rivers, mountains, and the sky. Nature is beautiful and peaceful. When we go to the forest or park, we feel happy and relaxed. The green trees, singing birds, and fresh air make us feel good. Trees help stop pollution. They clean the air and water. Their roots hold the soil together so it does not wash away in the rain. Trees also help control the weather. They make the air cooler and bring rain. Without trees, the earth would become too hot and dry. Animals and birds live in trees. Trees give them food and shelter. If we cut down too many trees, animals lose their homes. This is bad for the earth and for all living things. We must take care of trees and nature. We should not cut trees without reason. We should plant more trees in our gardens, parks, and cities. We must also keep nature clean. We should not throw plastic or garbage on the ground. Children can also help nature. They can learn about trees and how to care for plants. They can tell others why nature is important. Schools can plant trees and teach children to love nature. Even small steps help. Using less paper, saving water, and planting flowers are good for the earth. Everyone can do something to help nature. In the end, trees and nature help us live to better life. They give us air, food, shelter, and beauty. If we take care of nature, it will take care of us. Let us all protect trees and keep our earth green and clean. Save trees, save nature, and save our future. Together, we can make the world is better place. Nature is the foundation of life on earth, providing us with everything we need to survive. From the air we breathe to the water we drink, protecting nature is crucial for the well-being of both humans and the environment. Nature is our home, our provider, and our inspiration. It encompasses everything from the vast oceans to the smallest wildflowers, the mighty mountains to the intricate ecosystems. Nature provides us with resources like food, water, and shelter, and it supports a vast array of life forms. However, human activities are increasingly nature's delicate balance. Pollution, deforestation, overfishing, and climate changing are all contributing to the degradation of our natural world. The consequences of these actions are already being felt with rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and the loss of biodiversity. We must take action to protect our planet. This requires a shift in our thinking and our behavior. We need to reduce our carbon footprints, conserve water and energy, support sustainable practices, and advocate for policies that protect nature. Every individual can make a difference. We can make conscientious choice in our daily lives, such as reducing waste, using public transportation, and supporting business